go watch this guy go off in the ditch right here.
We're doing business checks. Is what we're doing. It's probably going to Keystone. Think they're open?
No, in Keystone, they probably are.
I'm not helping anybody if they get off the road today. What roads are closed? Rainbow City is usually closed all the roads.
The whole county is, I think.
I ain't hurt my back. I ain't helping. I tell them you're done.
Can feel my legs.